Hello friends, so glad to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the most delicious cauliflower steak with a soft vegetable mousse. Start by removing the extra leaves and trimming the stem. Cut the cauliflower in half and slice out 2 thick steaks. The rest of the cauliflower can also be roasted just like the steaks. Pour a couple of tablespoons of olive oil into a small bowl. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze out the fresh juice. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Sprinkle in some salt to taste. Add a little smoked paprika. And a touch of cumin as well. Mix everything gently, and the marinade for our steaks is ready. Place the cauliflower steaks in a baking dish. Brush the steaks with the marinade. Friends, we may not meet here again. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe so we can always stay connected. Flip the steaks over and brush the other side with marinade too. I love using a sprig of rosemary for this. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Flip after 15. Slice 1 zucchini in a way that feels comfortable. Peel 1 onion. Chop it into medium-sized pieces. Tell me in the comments which country you are watching from. I would love to know. Peel 5 cloves of garlic. Chop them finely. Slice 1 leek. If you prefer, replace it with green onion. Drizzle olive oil into a skillet. Add the onion and zucchini. Stir well and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the leek. Sprinkle with salt to taste. Add ground black pepper. And a pinch more cumin and give it a good stir. Then 50 grams of fresh spinach. Stir well and let it simmer for 7 minutes. Transfer the sautéed vegetables into a deep bowl. Add 200 grams of cooked or canned beans. Add a small bunch of cilantro and basil. Feel free to use your favorite herbs. Add 2 tablespoons of tahini paste. Stir everything together. Blend until smooth and creamy. Take a bunch of basil or any herbs you like. Chop them finely. Place the herbs into a small bowl. Pour in some olive oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic. I grate them on a fine grater, but you can also chop them with a knife. Add a small spoon of grape vinegar. Stir everything well, and the sauce is ready. Meanwhile, our steaks are baked and have cooled slightly. Doesn't that smell amazing? Spread the green mousse onto a serving plate. Smooth it out evenly. Place the roasted cauliflower steak on top. Brush the steak with the sauce. Don't miss out, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. So delicious! I hope you enjoyed preparing this dish. Share this simple and wholesome recipe with your friends. I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.